This is why you need to love your driver, your house help, your driver, and your cook. We really need to love them because they are the ones that cook, drive you, and the one that stays with your children. So they can easily do you harm, steal from you, or poison you, or do one bad thing to you. So that is why you need to show them love. You don't need to treat them anyhow. You need to treat them like trash. You don't need to maltreat them. So you need to treat these people well so they can stay in love, because the Bible says how you treat others, that's how they treat you. You need to treat others the way you want them to treat you. That is it. So that's very important. So you can subscribe to this channel for more videos.